In this video, you'll learn how to use search tools, as well as course features, to help you learn on Pluralsight. For those of you who already know what you want to learn, you can use the search field located at the top of nearly every page. Enter your specific search terms and press enter. The search results will depend heavily on the search terms that you used being in the course title, description, and tags. The results page combines suggestions for courses, skill assessments, and paths related to your search. You can also use filters, such as content type or level, to refine your results. You'll notice by default, content is sorted by relevance to your search terms, but you also have the option to sort your search results by newest or most popular content. Once you find the course you're interested in, click the course to go to the details page. Then click the bookmark icon to save it for later. You can click bookmarks at the top of the page to view your saved bookmarks. If you'd rather add the course to a collection of other related content in a channel, click Add to Channel. If you'd like to learn more about the course, scroll through the table of contents and course description in the course details page. If the course has a transcript, exercise files, or learning checks, you'll be able to find these on the course details page too. Click Start Course to open the video player in a new tab. If you aren't able to find what you're looking for, you can send us a suggestion for new content. To do this, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page in the Skills app and click Send Feedback. In the dialog box that opens, select Provide New Content Suggestions from the Request drop-down menu. Select the content type you'd like to see, then fill out the subject and relevant details. Once you're done, enter your email address and click the Send button to submit your suggestion. To learn more about how to find and organize learning content, visit the Pluralsight Help Center at help.pluralsight.com.